I now request Rotarian Dr. Kanwal, President of Rotary Bangalore, Banerghatta Road, to introduce and read the citation of our next awardee, Dr. S.V. Jayashree.
It's an absolute honor and privilege to introduce Dr. S.V. Jayashree, an awardee under the academics category. S.V. Jayashree is an accomplished leader and strategic planner holding a PhD in human service. She brings 22 years of strategic expertise to general management and administration roles. Despite living with multiple sclerosis, her career is marked by a strong record of streamlining operations, invigorating businesses, and significantly improving productivity, systems, and procedures. She's an expert in managing the full spectrum of administrative tasks, from procurement and budget control to transport management, and has demonstrated success in reducing operational costs and successfully launching new products through comprehensive brand management. A very hearty congratulations to you, Dr. S.V. Jayashree.
Mrs. Governor-elect, Lieutenant Anil Gupta, to kindly join us on stage. We do the honors to recognize our awardee, Madam Jayashree.
Rotary Bangalore Abilities proudly presents the certificate to Dr. S.V. Jayashree in recognition of her services to business growth and organization. We commend Dr. Jayashree for being a beacon in the field of academics and management. Her expertise and dedication are worth emulating, particularly in these times of extraordinary change. Signed, Kameshwari Rao, President, Justin Phillips, Secretary and President-elect, Dr. Gopi Devarajan, Vocational Service Director.
Good morning, everybody. I'm so happy and I'm very thankful for Rotary Club and all dignitaries over here and many challenging peoples. Actually, when I came here, I was not prepared for this. I speak out from my heart often. I don't prepare anything, I speak out from my heart. To be very frank, after long years, I'm in front of a crowded people. In 2014 in Dubai, I was winning an award for being a best performer. I was managing the 4 branches over there as in ISIT company. And I had worked in Singapore for 2 years, managing Ketzing piling. In 2019, December 1st, I was about to join my duty at Technia Labs in Dubai. November 11th, I lost my left eye vision and doctor diagnosed that I was undergoing multiple sclerosis. But from 2015, my right brain, some lesions were formed. I forgot my own name. I forgot the directions. I used to forget even right and left. But I was managing the company successfully. I don't know how that happened. So apart from the normal things, some energy is driving us. That's the fact. And some energy drive me all over these countries. I don't know for what purpose, but I worked for many companies and managed many companies and helped many companies to bring up their, those who were in loss. So I guided them. And after loss of vision, I don't know where to place myself. That too with the help of divine energy, few students had approached me to guide them as they were so weak in their subjects. I started taking tuitions. Then I felt fine. God had planned me to be here to make their background so strong. So this is my 5th batch for taking tuitions for the 10th grade. Apart from that, I help people for the management sectors, those who approached me. I was dealing with storage security and support in IT industries in Dubai. The thing is, when something is ahead as to challenge, when my vision was gone, I thought my whole career has gone and my life has gone. But with the help of steroid, I got my vision back. When I started to come out from those sickness and when I started to walk, I fell down and broke my right leg. Again, the things are dragging me down. Then what ahead in front? Still, I hope there's a big platform God is arranging for me. That's the right thing which I have to think about and move on. And each and every sector, I used to think there's something ahead, there's something ahead. But after coming over here, and you were all the role models for me, and there's a lot to achieve, of course. But why people are not coming ahead to know each other? Why they do stay back? And that thing is dragging everywhere. We can get intro to each other, we can do more with unity, we can achieve a lot. So that's the thing what I help. There's a very short period for us to live in this world, but we can explore a lot if we are together. If unity is strength, right? We can explore a lot. When we all unite together, we can create lot of ideas. We can bring new business over here. Because as I had traveled different countries, I know what all is missing over there in India. I used to think if we bring those things over here, quite many people would have been made use of it. But no other things are coming ahead for me to, Jayashree, why don't you? So nothing as an offer comes to me. Even abroad, 12 years of experience in Dubai, people know me. So they do approach me. But back in India, I don't know where to place myself and how I could approach certain things and whom I should. So all the doors were closing to me. So I felt this is my first step to move ahead and something good I had done for this day. And thank you so much, Gopi, for giving me this opportunity. And thanks all Rotary Club and all dignitaries over here. Thank you so much.